Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we break down tools and platforms in plain English so you can make smarter decisions for your business. Today, we're diving deep into a platform designed specifically for home service businesses. We're talking about Jobber CRM, and in this detailed review, we'll break down exactly what it offers, its core features, and, most importantly, the pros and cons you need to know before you even think about using it. Whether you run a service business yourself or you're a Shopify store owner curious about how service companies streamline operations, there are some really useful ideas here. So let's get straight into it. Jobber is a comprehensive business management software built for home service professionals. Think landscapers, cleaners, HVAC teams, plumbers, and mobile repair services. Their core promise is to help you organize your operations, communicate with clients, and get paid faster, all from one platform. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, text messages, and accounting tools, everything lives in one central dashboard. Looking at their website, the key features are quite extensive. For scheduling and dispatching, Jobber provides a visual dispatch board and calendar to assign jobs and manage your team's schedule efficiently. You can drag and drop jobs, see where your team is in real time, and avoid double booking or missed appointments. Huge for businesses that run on tight daily schedules. For client communication, it offers tools like Client Hub, estimates, and quotes that can be sent and approved online. That means customers can review and approve work from their phone without back and forth emails, which speeds up the sales process and reduces friction. On the financial side, Jobber facilitates invoicing and payments, allowing you to create professional invoices, accept credit card and ACH payments online, and even set up recurring payments for regular clients. This is especially helpful for subscription-style services or maintenance plans, where you want predictable, automated revenue without chasing payments. Additionally, it includes customer management with a detailed client history and notes, so you can see past jobs, preferences, and conversations at a glance. It also offers reporting features to give you insights into your business performance, with data on revenue, job profitability, and team productivity. These reports help you spot what's working, what's not, and where you might be leaving money on the table. Jobber offers 3 main pricing tiers for single users. The entry-level core plan at $39 per month provides essential tools for scheduling, quotes, invoices, online payments, basic reporting, and even a professional website. This is a solid starting point for solo operators who want to look professional and stay organized. The Connect plan at $199 monthly builds on core by adding automated reminders, automatic payment collection, job forms, quote and invoice follow-ups, QuickBooks online integration, and time and expense tracking. This tier is aimed at growing teams that want to reduce admin work and automate as much as possible. The top-tier Grow plan costs $199 per month and includes all Connect features, plus advanced capabilities like Customize. It's designed for businesses that are scaling and need deeper control over workflows and branding. All plans are billed monthly and include access to an app marketplace, so you can connect Jobber with other tools you already use. Hope this detailed look at the pros and cons helps you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest software reviews and business tips. Catch you next time.